Welcome to Technical Marketing Solutions. My name is Bank, and today I want to talk to you about Facebook ad terminologies. So first thing, it's the campaign. So what campaign is that this is the first thing you will see when creating any Facebook ads, and this is where you can choose the objectives of your campaign. And objectives are, well, I can show you right here. So these are the objectives that Facebook ad will provide you with when creating a campaign. You can choose any of these. You can, focus on, driving traffic to your website or your landing page or Facebook page or whatsoever. You can choose engagement, lead generations or conversions. It's up to you what you want to do with your campaign. One thing I would say is don't think of it as what you want this ad to do. Think of it as what you want this campaign to do for your business. So rather to drive, if you want to drive traffic to your store or your website. And I'll go into more details about each one of these objectives and how you can utilize them. So going back to campaigns. So after you create your first campaign, it would diverse into something called ad sets. You don't necessarily have to create 3 assets. You can have, just 1 asset or 2 or 3 or as many as you want. And assets is the place where you can target different groups of people in one asset. So what I mean by that is that you can have 1 asset targeting only the male population and your second asset targeting people who are between the age of 25 to 34, and your next asset can be targeting people who are interested in life and fitness products and stuff like that. And the reason why I'm splitting them up like that instead of putting them all in one set is that you want to always test your assumptions and hypothesis. So if you're thinking, oh, most of my clients are spread around all over the place. Some are 18, some are 34, and some are 60. So I want to reach as many people as I can with this campaign. That's not exactly how it works. Yeah, you might have clients all over the place, but you want to find that one group who's more consistent, right? You want a more consistent revenue stream. You want to keep feeding to the same group of people because at the end of the day, it's more expensive to acquire new clients than to sell to existing clients. And what this does, having different group of people in different assets, is that you can test, okay, which assets and which target groups are giving me the most response. All right, so if you're showing them the same ad and let's say asset A is performing better than asset B in terms of lead generations, and asset B is costing less than asset C, and asset C is the most expensive and it's not giving you the results that you want, that means whatever you're targeting in asset C is not the audiences that will give you the revenue that you want. So that way you can either decrease the budget or you just stop that asset in general, and it will not affect the other 2 assets at all. And that is called split testing, and that's the magic of ad sets. And I'll go into more about split testing in a later video. And then after you create your assets, it will diverse into something called ads. And this is where you make your actual ad copies. You can add images, you can add videos, you can add descriptions for your ads. And what it will look like is something like this. So this is an ad that I created a while ago for my other business that focus on creating product videos for other businesses or people who want to sell their products to the general public. So right here you can create descriptions about your ads. You can add your lead magnets in here. You can add your value propositions in there. You can add your video, or you can have like a carousel of images. You can add a single image, but right here I just chose videos. And then you can add your call to action here. Right now it says sign up. You can also change these to all these ones offered by Facebook. You can have subscribe, book now if you want to drive traffic for booking appointments. You can download if you're introducing an app or something. You apply now. You choose all these things, and you can design the URL that you want to drive the traffic to. So this is what it look like. This is what an ad looks like. If you've ever seen any Facebook ads on your Facebook feeds when you're scrolling through, this is what it look like, and this is what we're creating right here. So that's what ad is, and that's what this video is about, and that's pretty much it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. I'll try to keep these videos posted every Friday. So, and if you have any questions or about Facebook ads, or if you're trying to start a Facebook ad and you have nowhere to begin, you can always contact us through email below, and we'll be happy to help you out. See you guys next time.